Looking for the best Dyson cordless vacuum in 2025? Whether you need deep carpet cleaning, pet hair removal, or a lightweight option for daily dusting, we've got you covered. In this video, we review the top 3 Dyson cordless vacuums that deliver power, smart features, and unmatched convenience. From the latest tech to trusted performance, find out which Dyson is perfect for your home. Let's dive into the clean. Number 3. The Dyson V8 Plus cordless vacuum is a sleek, powerful cleaning tool engineered for homes with pets, carpet, tile, and everything in between. With up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction, it delivers reliable performance across all floor types. Thanks to the motor bar cleaner head that digs deep and even detangles hair as you go. Included in the box are useful attachments: crevice tool, mini soft dusting brush, hair screw tool, and a wall dock for easy storage. The HEPA filter system traps 99.99% of microscopic particles, making it a great pick for allergy-sensitive households. Users rave about its high suction power, lightweight build, and maneuverability, especially effective at picking up pet hair and fine dust that traditional vacuums often miss. Many appreciate how it transforms cleaning from a dreaded task to a simple routine. A standout feature is its conversion to a handheld, perfect for cars and upholstery. Some drawbacks include the need to hold down the power trigger and the absence of a built-in light, which users feel should be standard at this price point. Still, for its versatility, reliability, and premium feel, the Dyson V8 Plus remains a top choice. It's so good, one user even bought a second for their mom. A real game changer. Number 2. Looking for a powerful, lightweight cordless vacuum that can handle pet hair, kids, stairs, and everything in between? Meet the Dyson V11 Origin, a premium cleaning machine designed for whole home deep cleaning. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, the V11 delivers 60% more suction power Superscript 1 and intelligently adapts to your cleaning needs with 3 modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost. The motor bar cleaner head tackles all floor types, while the hair screw tool quickly removes pet hair with its anti-tangle conical brush. It also converts into a handheld vacuum, perfect for cleaning cars, upholstery, and stairs. An LCD screen displays real-time updates like battery life and maintenance alerts. At only 6.6 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, great for multi-level homes. Plus, it includes a HEPA filter that captures 99.99% of microscopic particles Superscript 3, expelling cleaner air back into your home. User feedback confirms it. Whether you're replacing an older Dyson like the V8 or need something lightweight due to mobility concerns, the V11 is up to the task. It's durable, easy to empty, and compatible with older Dyson attachments. If you're serious about powerful, cordless cleaning, the Dyson V11 Origin is absolutely worth the investment. Number 1. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus isn't just a vacuum, it's a cleaning revolution. Packed with intelligent features and cutting-edge technology, this cordless powerhouse is designed for whole-home deep cleaning, and it truly delivers. One of its standout features is the fluffy optic cleaner head, which uses illumination technology to reveal hidden dust on hard floors. Paired with the digital motor bar cleaner head, it effortlessly deep cleans carpets and detangles long hair and pet fur as you go. The laser light on the fluffy head works best in low light, exposing dirt you didn't even know was there. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, a power trigger for energy efficiency, and auto-adjusting suction based on debris and floor type, it adapts in real time. The LCD screen displays detailed cleaning stats, battery life, and maintenance alerts. Users rave about its lightweight build, just 2.74 kilograms, strong suction, and how much fun it makes cleaning. It's incredibly easy to maneuver and switch between tools, and comes with a range of attachments for every cleaning scenario. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus is a must-have for pet owners and tech lovers alike. Powerful, smart, and impressively effective. Thanks for watching our top 3 best Dyson cordless vacuums review in 2025. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and smart home tips. Which Dyson model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep your home fresh, clean, and effortlessly dust-free with the right tools. See you in the next video.